Good morning, students. Last time we had completed till exercise K. Exercise L. Read the following sentences and identify whether they are statements, commands, requests, advice, questions, or exclamatory sentences. Then rewrite them in indirect speech. So now sentences are given and we have to identify the sentences and then we need to change them into indirect speech. First one, Shane Warne said, "Hooray, Rajasthan Royals has won the match." So we can see that this is an exclamatory sentence. Okay. Let's see. Shane Warne exclaimed with joy. Okay. In place of this reporting verb said, we'll write exclaimed with joy that Rajasthan Royals had won the match. Present perfect will become past perfect. Second, Amjad Ali Khan said to the audience, "Please don't move around in the auditorium when the performance is on." This is a request sentence because the word please has been used. So, Amjad Ali Khan requested the audience not to move around in the auditorium when the performance was on. Whenever we change imperative sentences, request है वो sentences, when we change them, what we do? We write requested and then we use infinitive verb. Here, negative auxiliary verb is there, don't. That's why we will write a negative word, that is not, and then we will write infinitive, that is to move. The verb is simple present has been changed into simple past was. Third, Soha said to her mother, "Where was Shakespeare born?" So this is a question sentence. Soha asked her mother. Question word will remain there. So where? So was born is simple past and we have changed it into past perfect, that is had been born. Soha asked her mother where Shakespeare had been born. Fourth, the manager said, "The hotel is providing personalized services to the guests." So the manager said that, because this is a simple sentence, a statement, that's why the manager said that the hotel was providing. See, is providing is present continuous tense, which will be changed into past continuous tense. That's why was providing personalized services to the guests. Fifth one, the girl said to her pet dog, "Sit down." So here girl is giving command. Okay, that's why we can write the girl commanded her pet dog to sit down. In imperative sentences, we use infinitive verbs. That's why the verb sit has been changed to sit. Sixth, the mother said, "Best of luck for your exams." Here mother is wishing your own self. That's why mother wished me luck for my exams. And this is also a statement. Seventh one, the old beggar said to the wealthy man, "Please give me some money to buy food." So here beggar is requesting a wealthy man. He is making a request to the wealthy man. That's why we will write, the old beggar requested the wealthy man to give him some money to buy food. See here, we will remove the word please because we have already written requested, and then the verb give will be changed to infinitive, that is to give. Eighth one, the boys said to the referee, "We will not give up and try to score one more goal before the match ends." This is a simple sentence, so we'll write, the boys told the referee that they it will be changed to would. They would not give up and try to score one more goal before the match ended. Simple present tense will be changed to simple past tense. Over here, chapter number 20 is complete.